My name is Cheryl Brackett, and I am the Transportation Coordinator for the Department of Education. I'm in NEO. I've already signed in. This is the home page. It tells you a little bit about all of the different reporting that you have to do. So if I want to ask for a new bus, whether it's an addition to fleet or a replacement or an emergency bus, you go right up here to Vehicle Inventory and Requests, go down to Vehicle Inventory, New Bus Requests. Then you're going to go pick a school. I'm going to just randomly pick a school. I'm going to go with Biddeford. Okay, then you hit submit. Now, if this is an addition to fleet because your enrollment has increased, you go right here to this blue link where it says bus request for addition to fleet and click on it. It's going to bring up the form that you have to fill out. It's very straightforward. It's very short. So the ownership, you want to own it. You're not going to contract it. Bus capacity, let's go with a 77. Lift equipment, no. Type, we'll go with C. Addition reason, increased enrollment. Justification is accommodate. Fuel type, let's go with a diesel. Payment type, I'm going to lease purchase it, and I'm going to do that for 5 years. And that's it. And then you click on create down here at the bottom of the screen. So let's go back and I'll show you how to do a replacement. So right here on the screen it says replacement eligibility. So if it says no, it means the vehicles that you have in here have not reached the age or the mileage that it would need to have, okay? So let's go down. This one is disposed. Let's find one that's eligible. Okay, let's do this one right here. Select the link. I want to ask for an emergency replacement. So there's the bus that you're going to replace. That fills it in for you. So there again, it's the same type of thing. Ownership, you're going to go to owned. Bus capacity, we'll go to 78. Lift equipment, we're going to say no. Replacement reason, failure. Justification, either it's been in a crash or accident and it's totaled, it's been in a fire, it's had structural failure, it's been vandalized or other loss. Okay, so I'm going to say crash accident. And fuel type, I'm going to go, let's go with gas. Right here. Payment type, I'm going to go with cash because I'm going to be getting money from my insurance company. So when you have cash, you don't have to fill out the payment years, okay? Because you're not going to have to finance it. So let's go back. So we've done an emergency. Let's just do a replacement. And it's going to be the same type of thing. You've got to look for a bus that's eligible. And I'm sure you know which one it is. And a lot of people ask me about getting the disposed buses off your list. Right now, we're not doing that. It doesn't go away. Okay, so right here we have one, let's see, that's in service and it's eligible. Go to the far right of the screen, and under the select link, you're going to go for an EFT 17. And it's the same thing that we just did in the emergency, but you've got the information on the bus that you want to replace. You're going to go down, ownership, you can own it. Bus capacity, we'll go with 81. Lift equipment, we'll say yes. Type, let's go with a D. Okay, advanced justification. Because we asked for a handicap bus, we're going to go special needs student. Fuel type, we'll go with a diesel. Payment type, lease purchase. We're going to do it for 3 years. Then at the bottom of your screen, you click on create and you're done. So those are the 3 different ways you can apply for a bus. it's either an addition to fleet, or it's an emergency request, or it's to replace a bus that's getting older in your fleet. If you have any questions, please do give me a call.